Hey everyone, today we're going to dive into the must-know strategies for real estate agents looking to elevate their social media game. If you're ready to take your online presence to the next level, you're in the right place. Social media marketing is a crucial tool for real estate agents, allowing them to engage directly with potential clients and showcase properties effectively. Social media isn't just about posting photos and hoping for the best. It's about building your brand, connecting with your audience, and ultimately generating leads. So whether you're a seasoned agent or just starting out, I'm sharing 10 top powerful tips to make sure your social media works harder for you. Let's get into it. Number one, building a brand on social media. Creating a professional brand image is about showcasing your unique value. For real estate agents, this means highlighting expertise, knowledge of local markets, and approachability. Share behind-the-scenes insights, client testimonials, and a personal brand story that resonates with millennials who prioritize transparency and authenticity. Think of a brand building as developing an online personality that sets you apart from your competition. Number two, platform-specific strategies. Each social media platform has a unique audience and purpose. Instagram is visual, so post property tours, market stats, and team culture. Use Facebook for detailed property listings, client success stories, and community engagement through local groups. LinkedIn can position you as a thought leader in the real estate world, where you share industry insights, networking tips, and even success stories from clients. Tailoring your content to each platform shows that you understand what each audience values the most. Number three, content creation tips. It's always quality over quantity. Agents should prioritize well-lit, high-resolution photos and videos that capture the essence of a property or neighborhood. Consider using templates for consistency, and don't shy away from mixing up content types. For example, mix up market tips with property showcases, neighborhood highlights, and even short Q&A segments. This mix keeps your audience engaged while reinforcing your role as a knowledgeable and trusted real estate advisor. Number four, using video and virtual tours. Video is the king of real estate. Utilize short video walkthroughs, live stream open houses, and pre-recorded neighborhood tours. You can even answer FAQs on camera to personalize your connection with viewers. Virtual tours give clients a better sense of the space, especially if they're relocating. Platforms like YouTube and Instagram are ideal for these formats, and videos can be shared across multiple platforms, increasing the visibility of your video. Number five, paid advertising on social media. With paid advertising, target audiences can be segmented by the location, age, interest, and more. For example, targeting first-time homebuyers with ads highlighting affordable homes or property listings can help you reach a highly specific audience. Experiment with ad formats, carousel ads for multiple listings, single image ads for brand building, or video ads to capture attention quickly. Testing different ad sets can help refine your approach for the best return of investment. Number six, social media analytics. Knowing your numbers is critical. Track metrics like engagement rates, clicks, shares, and conversion rates to see what's resonating with your audience. Instagram Insights, Facebook Analytics, and LinkedIn Metrics can show you what type of content leads to the most engagement. With these insights, you can continually improve and make data-backed decisions on which types of content bring you the most value for your audience. Number seven, engagement strategies. Engagement is about building a community. Host Q&A sessions where followers can ask questions about the home, buying or selling process. Try weekly themes like Monday market updates or even Ask Me Anything Friday to give followers regular opportunities to engage. Live video tours of new listings or hosting neighborhood trivia events can be fun ways to interact with being very subtle with promoting your listings and expertise. Number eight, crisis management on social media. Negative feedback is a part of the game, but responding professionally shows integrity. If a comment isn't constructive, take it offline. If it is, respond calmly, offer a solution, and invite the person to reach out directly. Show your audience that you're dedicated to client satisfaction and are proactive to addressing any concerns. Having a plan in place for handling online criticism can protect your brand and demonstrate your commitment to client care. Number 9, influencer and partnership marketing. Collaborating with local influencers, photographers, or even popular local businesses can build credibility and expand your audience. Partner with interior designers for virtual staging tips or with coffee shops to highlight top neighborhood spots. Influencers bring their loyal followers to your content, which can be invaluable for reaching new, local audiences interested in buying or selling at home. Number 10, legal considerations. Social media has its legalities. Real estate agents must ensure that their content adheres to local advertising regulations, that permissions are secured when posting client photos or testimonials, and that credit is given when sharing photos or content from others. Staying compliant shows professionalism and avoids legal risks, safeguarding your business. With these 10 strategies, you're equipped to elevate your social media presence and connect with more potential clients than ever before. Remember, social media success doesn't happen overnight. It's about consistency, creativity, and always finding new ways to bring value to your audience. By investing time and effort into these tips, you're not just promoting properties, you're building a brand that people trust and want to work with. Thanks for tuning in, and if you find these tips helpful, be sure to subscribe for more insights like these, and I'll see you in the next video. If you're a real estate agent looking for insider tips and support and resources to make your job easier, join our inspection support group for realtors. Connect with other agents, can get access to free ebooks, CEU courses, and CEU stay updated on the latest inspection services. Head over to our inspection support group for real estate agents and become part of our community.